Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping the skin, cleanse thoroughly, and pat the eye area dry. Once done, perform a quick patch test for 24 hours to check tolerance. Apply 1 to 2 drops of Volufiline per eye onto your ring finger. The ring finger delivers the lightest pressure. Gently tap product onto the orbital bone. Do not put product on wet skin. You want thin, even coverage so absorption is controlled and irritation is minimized. Once the product is on, you focus on encouraging absorption without overstimulating the delicate skin. Tap around the orbital bone for about 10 to 15 seconds using feather-light pressure. This boosts skin contact. Then use 2 to 3 upward strokes toward the temples to distribute product. Avoid rubbing or stretching. Make sure to wait 1 to 2 minutes so Volufiline settles before you layer a moisturizer or sunscreen. This sequence preserves efficacy and reduces risk of migration into the eye. To finish, integrate Volufiline into your nightly routine for consistent results. You can use it once daily per the product instructions. If you experience redness, stinging, or burning, rinse the area with cool water immediately and stop use. Once symptoms subside, repeat a controlled patch test or try a lower concentration. If irritation persists or you notice unusual swelling, make sure to consult a dermatologist before resuming. This protects delicate eye skin and helps you troubleshoot safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.